everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into 30 products our team has been loving all month long. From tech that simplifies your life to home goods that just make sense, we've got you covered. So sit back, relax, and get ready for a curated list of the best products we've had our hands on in March 2025. Let's get started. First up is the Beast Mega 1200 Blender. The design is sleek and minimalist, but don't let the looks fool you. This thing packs serious power. We're talking pulverizing ice, fruits, veggies, nuts, you name it, into the smoothest concoctions you've ever had. Plus, it's got pre-programmed settings for smoothies, soups, even nut butter. Cleanup is a breeze too. Next up, the gorgeous cookbook from our place called Dinner at Our Place. It's not just about recipes, it's about creating an experience. The book is divided into 12 different dinner party menus curated by talented chefs. Each menu is inspired by a different culture, and the photography? Stunning. Trust me, this book will impress your guests before they even take a bite. Now let's talk about the Our Place Always Pan 2.0. It's like the Swiss Army knife of cookware. It can fry, sauté, steam, boil, you name it. Plus, it comes with a steamer basket and a wooden spatula that locks onto the handle. And the colors? They're so on point. Let's switch gears and talk about the Aesthetic IAE soy candle in Saharan clay. The scent is a warm, earthy, slightly sweet aroma that fills the entire room without being overpowering. It's like walking into a high-end spa in the middle of a desert oasis. And the jar? Minimalist, concrete-looking, and screams luxury. Trust me, this candle is an experience. For all my wine lovers out there living that small space life, the Cuisinart Private Reserve 8-bottle wine cellar. It's compact enough to fit on your countertop, under a cabinet, or even on a shelf. It's got a sleek, modern design with a glass door, so you can show off your collection. Plus, it's super quiet and energy efficient. The Beast Mega 1200 has upped my smoothie and soup game this month. It includes 3 blending vessels, 2 straws, a drink lid, and a carry cap. You can make your smoothie directly in the cup you're going to drink from. Plus, it comes with a travel lid, so you can take your smoothie on the go. Let's go back to the Dinner at Our Place cookbook for a second. The recipes are super approachable, even for beginners. They're well written, easy to follow, and the results are always delicious. Plus, they focus on using fresh, seasonal ingredients. Trust me, if you're looking to impress your friends and family, this cookbook is the way to go. Now you're probably thinking, how does the Always Pan 2.0 actually perform? Well, let me tell you, this thing cooks like a dream. The heat distribution is amazing, so your food cooks evenly every time. And the non-stick coating? It's seriously non-stick. Plus, it's super easy to clean. Just wipe it down with a sponge and you're good to go. Back to the aesthetic candle. This candle burns for hours and hours, like 60+ hours. The scent throw is incredible. You can smell it throughout the entire apartment. Plus, it's made with soy wax, which is more sustainable and environmentally friendly. It's a must-have for creating a calm and relaxing space. Let's talk about the Cuisinart wine cellar for a minute. You can adjust the temperature to perfectly suit your wine preferences. Whether you prefer your reds a little warmer or your whites super chilled, this fridge has got you covered. Plus, it has a built-in light, so you can easily see your collection without having to open the door. One thing I look for in any kitchen appliance is durability. And let me tell you, the Beast Mega 1200 does not disappoint. It's built like a tank with a super sturdy base and a thick, durable glass blending jar. This thing is going to last you for years, even with daily use. Back to the Dinner at Our Place cookbook. It includes tips on hosting a dinner party, from setting the table to creating the perfect ambiance. They even have playlists curated to match each menu. Let's be real, nobody likes doing dishes. But with the Always Pan 2.0, cleanup is actually kind of enjoyable. The non-stick coating is so good that food just slides right off. Looking for a gift that's both thoughtful and luxurious? Look no further than the Aesthetic IHE Soy Candle. This candle makes the perfect gift for any occasion, from birthdays to housewarmings. Trust me, this candle will be a hit. If you're a serious wine enthusiast, the Cuisinart Private Reserve 8-bottle wine cellar is a no-brainer. It's the perfect way to ensure that your wine is always stored at the optimal temperature. Plus, it just looks really cool on your countertop. The Beast Mega 1200 isn't just for smoothies. This blender can handle a wide range of tasks, from blending soups and sauces to crushing ice for cocktails. Plus, it's surprisingly quiet for a blender this powerful. One of the things I love most about the Dinner at Our Place cookbook is its celebration of global cuisine. The recipes are inspired by flavors from around the world, from Moroccan tagines to Vietnamese pho. It's a culinary adventure in a book. The Always Pan 2.0 is the perfect example of quality cookware for small spaces. It's compact enough to fit in even the tiniest of kitchens, but it's still incredibly versatile and high-performing. It's a must-have for any small space dweller. The Aesthetic IHE Soy Candle is a small detail that can instantly elevate the ambiance of any room. The warm, inviting scent and the chic jar create a sense of luxury and sophistication. It's a touch of luxury for your home. The Cuisinart Private Reserve 8-bottle wine cellar is a game-changer for entertaining. It's the perfect way to keep your wine chilled and ready to serve at a moment's notice. Plus, it just looks really impressive on your bar cart or countertop. One of the things that often deters people from using a blender is the cleanup. But with the Beast Mega 1200, cleanup is a breeze. The blending jar and lid are dishwasher safe, and the base can be wiped down with a damp cloth. Looking for a fun and romantic date night idea? Skip the crowded restaurants and cook a delicious meal together at home using the Dinner at Our Place cookbook. The recipes are designed to be shared, and they're sure to impress your significant other. The Always Pan 2.0 is a sustainable choice. It's made with non-toxic materials, and it's designed to last for years, reducing your environmental impact. The warm, earthy scent of the Aesthetic IHG Soy Candle in Saharan clay is known to promote relaxation and reduce stress. It's the perfect way to unwind after a long day. While the Cuisinart Private Reserve 8-bottle wine cellar might seem like a splurge, it's actually a great investment for any wine lover. By storing your wine at the optimal temperature, you're extending its lifespan and preserving its flavor. The Beast Mega 1200 is a lifesaver for busy families on the go. It makes it so easy to whip up quick and healthy smoothies for breakfast or snacks. No more excuses for unhealthy drive-through breakfasts. Looking for the perfect gift for the foodie in your life? Look no further than the Dinner at Our Place cookbook. It's a beautiful and inspiring book that's sure to spark their culinary creativity. The Always Pan 2.0 is about as painless as it gets for cleaning. The non-stick surface and easy-to-clean design make cleanup a breeze, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious meal. The Aesthetic IHE Soy Candle in Saharan clay is more than just a candle. It's a sensory experience. The warm, inviting scent, the soft glow of the flame, and the elegant jar all work together to create a truly luxurious and indulgent experience. Take your wine game to the next level with the Cuisinart Private Reserve 8-bottle wine cellar. This sleek and sophisticated appliance is the perfect way to store and showcase your favorite wines. That's a wrap! And there you have it. 30 products that have seriously impressed us this month. We've covered everything from kitchen must-haves to home goods that just make sense. And we hope you found some new favorites along the way. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Drop a comment down below if you discover something awesome. We're always on the lookout for the next best thing.